The pivot pin allows the saw's base to pivot when setting the cutting depth. The steel pin fits through the saw's frame and a bracket on the base. The pin is secured by the inner guard. If the inner guard is damaged, the pin can come loose and be lost. The pin can wear after years of use, leading to play between the saw and the base. Replacing the pivot pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade cover. Next, I'll remove the inner blade guard. With the inner guard removed, now I have access to and can remove the pivot pin. I use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull it away from the saw. And now I can install the new pin. Next, I'll reinstall the inner blade guard. And that's how easy it is to replace the pivot pin on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.